Hello guys, today I want to talk about how it is more beneficiary to you to put your money into a life insurance policy than it would if you put it in a saving account. If you put it in a saving account, your interest rate might be 0.5%, 1%, which means you're gaining 50 cents or maybe $1 every time you deposit $100, yeah? So you're making 50 cents on 50 cents on $100, but if you put $100 into a life insurance policy, which is the best part about this, it's going to work like a saving account. The life insurance policies that I offer, they're called ROP policy. It's an ROP life insurance policy, which means it stands for return of premium, which means if you get a policy with me for 20 years and at the end of the 20 years nothing ever happens to you, you'll get your money back. I don't know of any other insurance out there that would actually give you all your money back in the event that you don't get into if you don't use your insurance. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Your car insurance company, they're not going to say, oh, you've been paying with us for the past 40 years. You never got into any accidents. Here's all the money that you gave us. You can have it back. But that's what I'm offering for you guys. You can get a $1 million policy with me today. It may cost you about $100. And if anything does happen to you a year later, a month later, after getting the policy, you'll have access to that $1 million. If nothing ever happens to you down the road, you get all your money back. You can use that money. You can look at it as a saving account. And at the end of the 20 years, for example, you can take that money and perhaps pay off your house, make the last 5, 6 payments on your house, 7 payments, however much it is. And also, you're able to use your money while you're alive because the policies that I sell come with a living benefit, which means you'll have access to your money while you're alive in the event you become chronically or terminally ill, or you get into a major accident. Okay, so you don't have to actually die to receive that money. So you got the money available for you while you're alive. So if you do get sick or you get into a car accident and you're unable to go to work anymore, make your mortgage payment, your car payment, basically that paycheck stops. At that point, what do? That's when the life insurance policy kicks in and you start collecting, and you don't lose your house and you don't lose your car. Your saving account is not depleted. Your money stays, whatever it is that you saved in your bank, it stays there. And if you build any equity into your home, say if you have $200,000-$300,000 and you don't have any insurance at all, you're unable to make a payment onto that house. So what they're going to do, they're going to take the house and you're going to lose all the equity that you built into the house. That doesn't make any sense, does it? Also, life insurance is money that you receive tax-free. It's not reported to the IRS. So if I sell you $1 million policy now and 4 or 5 months later you become sick, you will be able to get that money from your life insurance policy tax-free. It doesn't have to be reported to the IRS. That's a huge benefit, yeah? And the most important thing that people need to understand with life insurance, which is an obvious benefit, it has the death benefit, which means if I sell you a policy today and you die tomorrow and you name your spouse and your children as beneficiaries, that money will go to them tomorrow, so they don't have to struggle. They don't have to sell the house and downsize to a smaller apartment and get rid of the car and so on and so forth. They don't have to struggle financially. The death benefit is available for you. If you die, your family will collect immediately. What else? One point that I like to point out to all my clients, which I don't see anybody else mentioning, is if you get a life insurance policy with me today, okay, and you would go to the doctor tomorrow, and the doctor says, you have cancer, okay? What you can do at this point, you can take that diagnosis from your doctor and go to the life insurance company and say, here, the doctor says I have cancer, give me the $1 million. I want my benefits, my living benefits. So what they're gonna do, they're not gonna just simply hand you $1 million. They're gonna, life insurance companies have doctors that work for them. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna fact check everything, and they're gonna contact your physician, they're going to contact your hospital, and they're going to start asking a lot of questions. Why are you giving this patient medication? Why are you giving this patient radiation? What is going on with this patient? You need to know more about this patient. Why are you giving them all these recommendations? So basically what's happening at this point, you got the life insurance company doctors talking to your physician and to your hospital, so they're going to get to the bottom of the truth. So you're not dazed and confused walking away from the hospital knowing that you had a stroke and your life's going down the drain. So because what you're going to do, you're going to take that piece of paper and go to the life insurance company, and the life insurance company is going to start asking a lot of questions. So all that's going to work for your advantage, yeah? That's like, if you guys look on here on number 2, let me make this a little bigger. I don't know if you guys, okay, now you can read it a lot better. Okay, so now if you look at number 2 here, that gives you a peace of mind. Ensure your loved ones are financially secured and prepared during difficult times. Well, that's not what I was trying. I need to reword that. What I was trying to explain by peace of mind is, in the event you get diagnosed with an illness, at least you know the life insurance company is going to ask a lot of questions because they want to get to the bottom of it. They're going to do a lot of fact checking. Yeah. What else? Return of premium. I already talked about. Oh, I didn't talk about this yet. You also, with the life insurance policies that I sell, they all come with a living trust. I'm going to link a video. I'm going to put a link to a video in the comment below, and you guys can watch it. This guy explains exactly how beneficial it is to have a living trust. So basically, you don't have to, in the event you die or get sick and you want to leave all your inheritance to your family, they don't have to go through court, and they don't have to go through questioning and proving document and all that other nonsense that goes with it, yeah? And they have to pay taxes. So in order for you to protect your assets, I offer a living trust. That's almost $1,000 value. That's also coming in for free. So look, guys, that's 5 benefits over here so far. Instead of putting $100 into the bank, instead of putting $100 into a saving account and getting nothing, no benefit out of it, put $100 into a life insurance policy. You get the death benefit. When you die, your family collect $1 million. Peace of mind in the event you get sick. The insurance company will start asking your physician and your doctor and your hospital a lot of questions. You have living benefits. Most policies that people sell out there, you have provide out there, that you have to actually pay for the living benefits. It's roughly about $100 to $200 a year for each benefit that's added onto a policy. But the policies that I offer, they're included with the policy at no cost to you. But anyway, these living benefits allow you to access your funds while you're alive to cover unexpected expenses. So in the event you get into an accident or you get sick, you have access to that money. So you don't even have to die to get that money. So instead of leaving a legacy, you can actually live a legacy. So you don't have to be financially, deal with financial crunch, lose your house, lose your car, lose all your assets. Living trust, I already mentioned that. You can put all your assets in a living trust and safeguard them against taxes and courts. Return of premium, which is a very awesome feature in these life policies. You get all your money back if you outlive your policy. I hope you do outlive your policy, by the way. Simple process. When you purchase a life insurance policy, you select death benefit amount and name a beneficiary. If you pass away, insurance company pays the death benefit directly to your beneficiary. Beneficiary would be like your brother, your sister, your mother, your daughter, your spouse. You can have as many beneficiaries. Like, so if you have $1 million and say if you want to split it up like 4 or 5 ways, so you can do 25% to Jack, 25% to Stephanie, 25% to Steve, 25% to whoever you want it to go, to your mom, to your dad, okay? So the process is really, really simple. Guys, please give me a call. Let me set you up with the life insurance policy today. I promise you it'll be the best investment that you'll ever make. What makes this offer really, really attractive, you have the return of premium option, which means if nothing ever happens to you, you get all your money back. My number is going to be on the screen. Please, guys, give me a call, 330-577-3496. Or you can just comment One Life below, and I will get back with you today. Try to get your policy while you're young and healthy, because your premium is going to be a lot lower, and your death benefit is going to be a lot higher. Your coverage is going to be so much higher when you're younger. If you're young and healthy, call me today. It doesn't matter how old you are. It's just the only thing that's going to be different from a younger person to an older person is the coverage. A younger person can get $1 million for $100. An older person can get maybe $250,000 for $100. Okay. But the thing is, you need to do it while you're young and healthy, because the older you get, the sicker you're going to get, which means you may not be eligible. There is companies out there that offer GI policies, which means guaranteed issue, and it doesn't matter what health condition you're in, I can still get you a policy, but the only difference at that point, your coverage is going to be a lot smaller, okay? So it's better to get it while you're young and healthy. I gave a quote to this young lady 2 days ago to do a $2 million policy. She's in her early 20s, $2 million policy for under $100. Okay, so please, guys, go while you're young and healthy. This is going to be the last love you that you're going to leave for your family, okay? You don't want them to be stuck with funeral expenses. You don't want them to lose the home. You don't want them to be burdened financially in the event something happened to you. No one has to die in this, guys. You can get into an accident tomorrow and you're just unable to work anymore. That's it. You're still alive, but you're unable to work. Tomorrow you could have cancer. You could have multiple sclerosis. You could have a stroke. You can have a heart attack. And you're still going to survive. You're going to live a long life, but you're unable to work anymore. The paycheck stops. That's when a life insurance policy comes to the rescue. It automatically activates and starts giving you can either do a lump sum or you can receive a monthly payment. Again, this money is all tax-free, guys. I want you to understand there's nothing out there that offers you tax-free at all. Not a 401k, not an IRA, not any of that stuff give you tax-free money. Call me today, let me get you started on a policy, and it's going to be the best decision you've ever made. And again, if you happen to outlive your policy, which I hope that you do, you will get all your money back. Return of premium. You receive 100% of your premium back if you outlive your policy. It's very simple, guys. Again, call me at 330-577-3496, or you can text One Life to that number, or just comment One Life on this video, and I'll get back with you soon. Best of luck, guys. Do not put this off, because you may not even be eligible tomorrow. Your health could completely change, yeah? So tomorrow is not promised. So the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. So do it while you're young and healthy. Talk to you guys soon, and best of luck. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you find this today's video useful, please share it with somebody that you might think might be interested in getting a life insurance. Best of luck, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.